What's good, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video, and I'm back again with a new one for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make an Amapiano beat. Yeah, an Amapiano beat. It's a style that is trending these days, and I want to show you guys how to do it. So let's go. In case you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and make comments. I'll be watching out for them. Thanks.
Dolybim on the track. It's a jam.
Alright, so let's get to it. So I'll play this beat from the intro down to the hook for you guys to listen, and I'll break it down for you. So let's go.
Dolybim on the track. It's a jam. Dolybim on the track. It's a jam.
Alright, so that's the beat. It's a jam. Pretty simple Amapiano beats, and I'll just show you guys how I made this really fast. So let's go. Starting with the percussions, like always. I'll walk you through it. So I have this conga. Sorry. Then I have this rim, comes in at the beginning, just like that. Then I have this vocal sample. I put some effect on it, some reverb and some delay. This reverb and this delay. Then next we have the shaker, one shot shaker. And we have this percussion that comes towards the end. Yeah, just like that. Then we have this rim. Another vocal sample. I put effect on it too, some reverb and some delay. Then we have this. Then we have this, like a rim shot with another percussion joined together. Then we have this, just an open heart. Then what else do I have? Okay, that's all for the percussions. So what I'll do now is I'll play the percussions for you guys. Just percussions alone. I see how it sounds. Yeah, before I forget, the kick. The kick is just a steady kick, and it's like this. And this is a low kick. I'm mixing it with a higher frequency kick. Now it's like this. But basically, one thing about Amapiano is the kick is always low frequency, always round and thick. You don't want something too punchy for Amapiano. So I'm just using this punchy kick just to layer this thick kick. That's all. So let me play the percussions for you. Then with the kick now. Yeah, you can already feel the Amapiano bounce. Now, this is not complete without the shaker. The shaker gives Amapiano life. When you hear that shaker, you know that yes, something is coming. Alright, so I'll play the shaker for you. I'm using 2 different shakers. So this is the first one. Second one. Alright, so now adding the shaker together with the percussions. So I'll play the percussions again and then I'll add in the shaker and you guys will see the difference. Alright, so the percussion. So I'll bring in the shakers now. Now you can hear it. Yeah. Alright, so that's for the percussions and drums. So let's go to the sound. So I have a clap here. And then I have this roll. Alright. I have this sound. Very nice Amapiano sound. Whatever that means. So goes like this. Now you can see it just sounds like it's straight. But I did some panning. I panned it left and right. And I used an automation clip, which is this. So once I put this on, you hear it start sounding left and right. Yeah. Then from the verse now, I have this tremolo sound. Then I have these chords, these E piano chords. Yeah, just like that. Together with the tremolo, and the tremolo is from Purity. This chords, E piano chords, is from Expand. In case you want to know where they are. So both of them together sounds like this. Alright, then from here now, I have, what did I add here? Okay, I have a piano here. This piano is from Addictive Keys. So together with these chords, on the tremolo. Then before I forget, I have this log drum. Sorry. So this is called the log drum, and this is one of the most important Amapiano sounds. It sounds like this. Yeah, you can hear that roll. That roll is important. And the log drum is from, let me confirm. It's from DX10, Fruity DX10. So the plugin comes with Fruity Loops. It's called Fruity DX10. Just go to presets and look for log drum. This is it here. Again, but I tweaked some things, so this is my own preset, but it still sounds almost the same. And then I have this synthesizer that comes in also here. Then from here I have a marimba that comes in at the hook. Then a trumpet, brass. Alright, so playing the sounds together, we have this. Then play from the hook because it does everything. So we have this sound. Alright, so I think that's all. I've covered everything, I think. Yeah, then Dolybim.
Dolybim on the track. It's a jam.
It's a jam. Alright, so let's look at it from the top now.
Dolybim on the track. It's a jam.
Oh, I forgot this snare. Alright, so this snare just a simple snare. So I just I played with the velocity of the piano roll, made it low, then just goes up gradually. This is how it sounds on its own. See, it sounds low, then comes up. So, and then yeah, this riser here. Yeah, can hear some extra effects on it after. It's from Shima. I added Shima on it, and Shima is from Valhalla to. This is Shima, yeah, Valhalla Shima. So it just makes the sound, more reverb, and just makes it sound soft and large and full, and yeah, it's a really nice plugin. Alright, so let's play this from the top.
Dolybim on the track. It's a jam. Dolybim on the track. It's a jam.
Alright, so that's a simple Amapiano beat. If there's anything else you guys would like to know, just put it in the comment section, so I'll be watching out for it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.